am the Afro Girl, and welcome to MX Bricks, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's start with our very first story. Akwaaba UK, the organizers of the annual Ghana Party in the Park, have unveiled the lineup for the 2023 edition as per tradition. During a press briefing held in Accra, it was officially announced that R2Bs will proudly take the center stage as the headline act. The other artists to grace their stage include Samini, Medical, Last Mid, Mr. Drew, Sina Soul, Kwamina MP, and VVIP. I mean, me, anywhere R2Bs is, that's where you find me. I love them. And that's on period. Now, moving on, Adekunle Gold has announced the impending arrival of his 5th album. In the video posted on his social media platforms, he gave insights into his artistic evolution over the years and how his upcoming 5th album entitled Tequila Ever After is the beginning of the Tio Tequila wave. He also shared the inspiration behind the album title as he revealed that he had a shot of tequila for the very first time and proceeded to record what was a smash hit. That was the eureka moment that inspired him to call his next album Tequila Ever After, which also ushered in his Tio Tequila wave. We have the video where he spoke all about this, so let's check it out.
World. Summer is finally here, people.
And you know what that means? It's time to go outside and enjoy the sun and the good vibes.
Oh, snap.
What's up?
Tio Tequila is dropping his 5th studio album.
Wait, who's Tio Tequila?
Some call him Adekunle Gold. Some call him AG Baby. Some say he's the greatest showman.
Wow.
Tio Tequila is coming.
It was my first time having tequila.
Yeah.
They gave me one shot of tequila.
And he was like, yo,
bro,
this is my shit.
and I made a crazy song that day.
Oh, really?
And guess what I'm saying? I said, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm calling my next album Tequila Ever After.
Just imagine say tequila or whiskey something. Everything is chill, right? Mm-hmm. And then when you're drinking, that's what you're doing. You're just
Vibing.
Just vibing.
Too many things I'm feeling tonight. With 24, that's my kryptonite. Temperature 70 when we kiss. Come to my place after party.
All right, guys. I think I figured out that he and Simi, you know, were together. I feel like that vibe, their family have some kind of, you know, artistic, creative vibe. And I can't wait to hear what this album has for us. But moving on, Ghanaian musicians Stormzy, Black Sherif, and Amare have had their voices featured in Heart of Stone, an upcoming action movie on Netflix. Their film boasts of a cast that includes renowned actors Gal Gadot, Jamie Dornan, and Alia Bhatt, and it promises an unforgettable cinematic experience. Now, one of the film's standout features is the incorporation of Stormzy's chart-topping hit song, This Is What I Mean, into its electrifying soundtrack. Now, we obviously have the video, so let's see it.
You know what you signed up for. No friends, no relationships. What we do is too important. When governments fail, the only thing left is the charter.
The most highly trained agents.
It's a bigger operation.
No political leanings.
What's with all the speculation?
No national allegiances.
Time to make a statement.
Working together to keep peace in a turbulent world.
Time to free my mind of limitation.
How many in the welcome party?
6 of them.
Finesse the majors, that's my form of reparations. They said you can't slide riches into the nation.
Hardly seems fair. She's developing a sense of humor.
All right.
Heart is what gives the charter its power. We can crash a market or drop a plane out of the sky. If you own the heart, you own the world.
This is what I mean.
Chef, I need your help.
Plotting exit route. We've been breached.
I love how far Ghanaian music has come. My goodness, Stormzy, Blacko, and Amare. I can't wait to actually watch the movie as well. The trailer is fire. The trailer is fire, by the way. But again, that's about it for today, guys. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.
Shut it all down.
Showtime!